So you're out there fishing and you see the word stop. What does that mean? You stop the sonar. It's the most idiot thing that the Lowrance could have done, but they did it. So what you do is to get it activated, you go to the main menu like that, and then let's see, one more time. You press the power, yeah, you press the I, and this menu comes out. You use this to go over here where it says stop sonar, and then you enter. Now if you go back, it should be working. Let me see. Okay. It is working. It is so bright here, I cannot see my screen. I hope I did a good job of video. There's some fish maybe. Anyway, good luck. Don't get annoyed by Lowrance.